First reading, Acts chapter 15 verse 1 to 6. And some coming down from Judea, taught the brethren, that except you be circumcised after the manner of Moses, you cannot be saved. And when Paul and Barnabas had no small contest with them, they determined that Paul and Barnabas, and certain others of the other side, should go up to the apostles and priests to Jerusalem about this question. They therefore, being brought on their way by the church, passed through Phenice, and Samaria, relating the conversion of the Gentiles, and they caused great joy to all the brethren. And when they were come to Jerusalem, they were received by the church, and by the apostles and ancients, declaring how great things God had done with them. But there arose some of the sect of the Pharisees that believed, saying, they must be circumcised, and be commanded to observe the law of Moses. And the apostles and ancients assembled to consider of this matter. Psalms chapter 122 verse 1 to 5. I rejoiced at the things that were said to me, we shall go into the house of the Lord. Our feet were standing in thy courts, O Jerusalem. Jerusalem, which is built as a city, which is compact together. For thither did the tribes go up, the tribes of the Lord, the testimony of Israel, to praise the name of the Lord. Because their seats have sat in judgment, seats upon the house of David. Gospel, John chapter 15 verse 1 to 8. I am the true vine, and my Father is the husbandman. Every branch in me, that beareth not fruit, he will take away, and every one that beareth fruit, he will purge it, that it may bring forth more fruit. Now you are clean by reason of the word, which I have spoken to you. Abide in me, and I in you. As the branch cannot bear fruit of itself, unless it abide in the vine, so neither can you, unless you abide in me. I am the vine, you the branches, he that abideth in me, and I in him, the same beareth much fruit, for without me you can do nothing. If any one abide not in me, he shall be cast forth as a branch, and shall wither, and they shall gather him up, and cast him into the fire, and he burneth. If you abide in me, and my words abide in you, you shall ask whatever you will, and it shall be done unto you. In this is my Father glorified, that you bring forth very much fruit, and become my disciples.